G'day everyone, Ben here from Catch Pro. We've got the Darwin grips here now. Some of our audience may or may not know that I still have an active lawn care grounds maintenance business in Brisbane. We're at one of our sites today. We got Rusty here. He does a lot of work for us for Catch Pro, but he actually is mostly in charge of running Greenscape Solutions for us. So we got the Darwins here, and today we've got like 50 of these courtyards that we usually mow for the residents, and you can see it's not a big area. We 9 times out of 10 we won't even bring a mower onto something like this. We actually will just flatten it with the snippers. So we're hoping that the Darwin grips are going to be, well, we know for a fact, spending a couple of hours flattening out courtyards, that it's just going to be absolutely gold. I just want to show you a couple of the different mounting setups. So Rusty, if you want to jump on yours, we can explain that. So yeah, pick it up and just get into your normal stance. Okay, so Rusty isn't the tallest person either, but he does get so what are you? Don't lie. 5'7". So I don't know, that might be 170 or so. These are marketed towards taller people, but I just think anytime you operate a whippy for more than a couple of hours a day, no matter what, this is going to be good for you. So, Rusty, you have yours on a slight angle, yes?
Yeah, I've just started trialling it.
So I don't know how well this is actually showing up on camera, but I'll try and get behind you.
Yeah, I'll just keep this like straight down the line there.
Yeah.
And it's actually quite offset.
So you grab it then?
For me, it's just because naturally, your hands are on that angle already. So
that's good.
for me, it's right there. So I'm still standing upright.
So we're going to cut some grass shortly. What I might do, Russ, I might just give you the camera for a minute,
yep,
and I'll show you how mine's set up, because it's a little different. So I've also got the plug phones here, guys. I'm testing these out to make sure. We've got to run them in for a while just to make sure that they are what they say they are. Okay, so I have mine straight with the, Russell's is over here. I'm really comfortable in this stance. What we've been asked about is for people who do upright edging. So I have mine loose. I've got it backed off so I can just go like this, bang, straight into an upright edge. Everyone's going to do their upright edges differently. After 17 years of doing upright edges like this, I really have no interest in changing my style or anything like that. So that's what I also like having it loose so that I can just be, it doesn't matter which way I have this, I'm more upright than what I would have been if I had this low handle. So yeah, I find that I'll do this, and then some other times when I'm right on top of it, I could be like this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cut, and we're going to slash this down for you and give you a bit of a demo. Rusty will do one, I'll do another one, and hopefully that can answer some of the questions for you guys and see how it applies for you guys.